Hi there, this is Ed from 360 Fearless Adventures. Welcome back. This is episode 6. We are going bouldering at Cape Spencer. We are here right now. You can see the big boulders in the back. I think it's going to be a very fun day. We're going to test out a few things. Let's just go find out what we can see. Today I'm going to be trying the super chunky Bam Bam from Friction Lab for my chalk. So we're just going to test this out. I'm going to start out with my La Sportiva shoes and then hit up drone Mad Rods. I just want to warm up. Remy's just going to try out a small practice run. So right now we're just looking for spots to boulder. We haven't found any yet. I'm going to try a cave right behind me. There's like a little cave, so I'm just going to go test it out. At least if I don't find any bouldering now, I'll have a cave. It's a tight squeeze. Oh. Look at this. There's like cars in here or something. There's like a whole engine or something. This is kind of strange. We're almost out. Oh, it's hard on the knees. Okay. Almost there. Alright, legs are almost out. There we go. That was nice. We're just gonna do this small little traverse here. It's a very fun little route. On this run I have my La Sportiva tarantulas. I find it more difficult than when I had my drones. This is my second attempt. This time I have my drones by Mad Rob, and they are far more superior climbing shoes than the Tarantula by La Sportiva. They gave me way more control on small chips. this is the end of our video here at Cape Spencer. If you did like this video, please consider subscribing and hit that thumbs up button and hit that notification bell. It really helps out the channel. And I hope you liked this episode of bouldering. We did. The only thing I didn't find too much to boulder around because there's a lot of big rocks on the bottom of the good holds and stuff. So I don't know, maybe let me know down in the comments down below if you did come here and if you did find something to climb. I know there is some spot in the climbing guide. Just let me know. Peace out.